Hello, as we all know, at present there are many types of handheld power tools sold in the market. Power tools are rapidly becoming an indispensable tool in people's daily life for reducing labor intensity and improving work efficiency. Guangdong Unionwell Co. Limited is dedicated to the market needs. After verifications of various design ideas, finally overcoming technical difficulties, developed a high demand and independent patents G5L series switch with dual magnetical arc, extinguishing, clever structure design 3mm pitch power tool switch. Main features of this switch: the switch has an ingenious structure design with dual magnetical for arc extinguish, which improves the switch electrical service life. It has obtained a patent. The switch contact gap is 3mm. The switch can be disconnected entirely under heavy load conditions, which improve the switch performance and the safety of the operating switches. Universal installation size and the multiple size specifications to connect terminals. Handle shape and the size specifications are various, suitable for switch installation. Terminal wiring and circuits form requirements of different customers. Mainly used in the handheld electric drill, electric polishing, electric scissors, electric screwdriver, electric saw, electric lawn mower, electric car washing machine, etc.
If you want to know more about micro switches, contact us now via the email and official website link below.